Assalamu alaikum. Dears, we were talking about the understanding of materia medica. Uh, the post was have to be resumed due to some unseen reasons, so we continued it with materia medica understanding. Our topic was concerned with plant kingdom. If you look at the basic characteristics of plant kingdom, you come to know that plant kingdom definitely are living organisms, living objects, but one thing is very common in all plants. Around plenty of plants are discovered. However, one common thing is very common, peculiar in them is static. They all are static. They cannot move. They are not dynamic. So one thing is very much clear that all the mind symptoms, all the people need remedy from plant kingdom are definitely pessimist. They are not very dynamic. They are the one have their inner feelings inside and intact with them. So on, if we continue with, definitely they have wonderful growth. If they don't have any kind of suppression, they show a splendid growth in them. And we got a very beautiful parks all around the world and forests wherever we found a very suitable atmosphere. So without any compulsion, we could say that the people need plant kingdom remedy are definitely having no issues or no problem with growth symptoms. Third one is definitely they are jealous, they are envious, they are not very flexible. However, they have a very limited ratio of flexibility in them. Also, they are very helpful. This is the peculiar or special, very special symptom of plant kingdom, that the people need remedy from plant kingdom are mostly helpful peoples. Now come to the second source of medicine is animal kingdom. Animal kingdom, they are dynamic. They can move, they can freely revolve, and definitely they are dependent on plants and other sources of material. So definitely they are more selfish, they are more keen, they are cunning. But one thing is very much sure, definitely they are very jealous. They are very optimist. They cannot be, they I emphasize on this point, they cannot be pessimist. Look at the patient of Lexus is very jealous, very envious, but definitely he is not a very pessimist. He come forward to deal with it. He said that I cannot tolerate this heat, so he opened the buttons of his shirt. He take off his shirt. Now the third one is mineral and salts. Definitely mineral salts are definitely have no type of growths. They are very static, but definitely all types of living objects need them. Nothing could survive without them. So in all type of journal weaknesses and all type of mental illnesses, patient is looking for minerals and salts. For example, Caliphos, Calimure, Calibrom. We have a very long range of remedies in homeopathic materia medica. The fourth source is chemicals and nosodes and sarcodes, etc. All these are definitely chemicals. They have formation. They are made up with different type of substances, and so have some sort of different type of properties. For example, Sorinum's patient is very aggressive but have a very high itching in his body, and definitely Syphlenium is a patient definitely is suffering with heat and urine issues. So all the patient need no sods and sarcodes and chemicals definitely have very heavy issues related with their emotions and with their relations with the peoples. Look at the Medorinum patient is definitely a very lusty man. He is a very corrupt man, and definitely have a lot of swellings in his glands, because he is a patient of syphilis. Look at the syphilis is another no sort, and definitely his prominent signs. The last one is imponderables are the things which we cannot feel, we cannot touch them. These things are basically did not have existence in this cosmos or in this earth. So they have very high reaction with vital force, and most of the time they are in commonly used when patient is definitely a psychic patient. We don't have any type of physical or pathological symptom in him, so we go with imponderables. I have told you magnetis polus ambo or X-ray or such sort of medicines, these are radium waves. These are definitely few types of imponderables. I think you got the point. We will continue with these types of posts. If you like them, please like and share them, and if you did not share our subscribe our channel, please subscribe.